Introducing the VXO by Nightingale. Here's how to make the most of your new task chair. Start by adjusting the height of your seat. To lower, push the lever on the right-hand side of the chair down while sitting. To raise the height, push the same lever down with all your weight off the seat. Next, adjust your tilt position. Pull the lever out to unlock. Push lever into lock while in upright position only. Next, adjust your backrest's tension. Turn the knob on the right-hand side of the chair clockwise to increase tension. Turn counterclockwise to decrease tension. To adjust the arm height, push the button found just below the arm pads and move into desired position. Release to lock. Your arm should be at a 90-degree angle for optimum comfort and support. Finally, adjust your lumbar support. Use both hands by reaching behind the chair and move the lumbar support pad up or down into the desired position. Now, this VXO chair is uniquely yours.